Hello, hello, hello. Kevin Darnell here. First of all, I'm going to be talking about this product here, and it is our Nviro 360 Shower and Shave Gel, coconut based and cancer free. And with that, let me get the disclaimer out the way first. First of all, I want to say any products that I may recommend are products that I personally use after researching and making comparisons to make sure that what I am using is safe, pure, and highly effective. I make no claims of preventions of cures for any products or home remedies that I recommend. I am only reporting that I have learned from other doctors, researchers, scientists, nutritionists, and clinicians. And that is my disclaimer. So let me move on here. Okay. What I'm talking about today, like I said, is the Shop Free Mart Nviro 60. It's a testimony more than anything else. I use both of these products, and basically what I'm talking about here is the one on your right, and I guess it would be my left, the way you're looking at it, or whatever, my left is your right, however you want to look at it. But to make a long story short, I just want to tell people what is so crazy about this product is, and what I love about it so much. It's not just for shaving. That you see, I got a nice clean bald head, and the way it feels after I'm finished with it, and the smoothness, and loving it because it's cancer free and it's unscented, and it replaces all your bathroom needs, your soaps, your shampoos, your conditioners, your toothpaste, and that's what made me a believer. That's what actually made me purchase this product, when someone shared with me that they can brush their teeth with it. So what you do, it has no real taste to it. You just put a little on your toothbrush. You brush with it like you would normally. You rinse like you would normally. And what I love about it, the smoothness. It's like your teeth have been waxed, or it's just so smooth and clean, and that's what I love about it. I will never buy toothpaste again. As we all know, toothpaste has fluoride in it, and fluoride is poison. You might as well say it's poison. I'm not going to talk much about fluoride at all. So if you want to know more about fluoride, go to Google and Google fluoride, toothpaste fluoride. It's really no good for you. But I said this would be short, but like I said, I love that product. I will continue to use it. Never will use toothpaste again. My teeth are so much smoother. My breath is fresh on a more level where the freshness is longer. It's not like having to chew gum or eat a piece of candy. You can feel the freshness. You actually get both of these products for a low price. I believe it's, oh my goodness, I want to say $34 if I remember correctly. I don't want to go into my back office my back to here, but I believe it's only $34. And this, like I said, it's my testimony, and I love it because it's, in other words, sometimes I don't floss daily and like I should, but I do brush twice a day. And sometimes, you get a little plaque built up on your teeth. You don't get your 6 month to yearly regular cleaning. And I had a little plaque just on this side, around my back molar. And you know what? I started using this soap here, this actually shower and shell gel, for about 3 weeks. I would rub my tongue back there, and I didn't feel it anymore. And so now it just made me more more believing in this product than anything else. And like I said, when you believe in a product, you don't mind sharing it because you're putting your reputation out there, and you don't mind sharing it because you know that it works. And I will never be without it because it works for me, and I know it will work for so many other people. Nviro 360 Shower and Shave Gel. If you want this gel, more likely you're in Shop Free Mart, and if you're not, there will be a link to purchase this if you like. And like I said, who does not have $34 for amazing hygiene? And that's not just for this one bottle. That's for both of what you see in this picture. My testimony is that my teeth are whiter, my breath is fresher, plaque has been removed from one of my back molars, and it keeps my head smooth, my face smooth, and you can use it for lotion as well. Like I said, it replaces all your bathroom needs. Thank you. God bless. Happy holidays to everyone out there. And I hope that you love this shower and shell jig just as much as I do. Many blessings, Garnett.